The 12-hour statewide general strike imposed by left parties in Manipur against the Citizenship Amendment Act 2019, beginning from 6 a.m. today, has crippled normal life in the state. Several organizations have extended support to the Imphal-Moray Highway indefinite shutdown called by Kuki Chief Association and Kuki Students Organization Kengjoy Block Chandel District to register a protest against government's order for shifting a model residential school. Manipur Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam today told the House that his department will go over all boarding schools in the state and check the standards of food supplied to students. JCILPS Students Wing and local people of Waisel Lambi of Sangai Pro Maninglaikai replaced the name of Hare Krishna Lairak written on the walls with Waisel Lambi. The land has been known as Waisel Lambi for years, but it was recently renamed as Hare Krishna Lairak by a group of people. 17th Rising Day of Universal Friendship Organization was observed at the Northeast headquarters of TOM Yairel Konjil today. MLA of Kairao constituency Laurembam Rameshwar Maitai kicked the observance function by hoisting the UFO flag. The Delhi Metro Rail Corporation today closed gates of 14 metro stations in view of protests against the Citizenship Amendment Act. Earlier in the morning, the DMRC had closed gates of 7 metro stations including Jamia Millia, Jama Masjid and Munirka, entry and exit gates of Patel Chowk, Lok Kalyan Marg, Udyog Bhavan, ITO, Pragati Maidan and Khan Market. A one-day consultation cum review meeting of available schemes and services for malnourished and stunted children in highly prevalent districts in Northeast was held at Royal Academy of Law, Oinam in Bishnupur district today. 20-year-old Kawi Manning Singlu Rantla of Nagaland was crowned the Miss Orange Queen 2019 last evening on the concluding day of 16th State-Level Orange Festival at Apollo Ground in Tamenglong District Headquarters. 25-year-old Alulio Daimai and 19-year-old Chun Izar Pamai bagged first runners-up and second runner-up titles respectively. Kangnai Park News Tingbang Loop has extended monetary assistance to Maibam Sanatombi. Members of KNTL along with other generous people donated Rs 30,000 to Sanatombi. Sanatombi, aged 47 years, daughter of Maibam Rajo and Manjuri of Salungpham Mamangkaitil, Thobal district, has been lying immobile in bed for the last 3 years. As a precautionary measure, the Bengaluru City Police has imposed Section 144 of IPC in city from December 19 till December 21. Section 144 prohibits gatherings of more than 4 persons. As per report, the measure comes ahead of series of dharnas, protests and marches planned by various organizations in the city today and tomorrow against the Citizenship Amendment Act. The majority of lawmakers in the US House of Representatives today voted to impeach President Donald Trump on charges that he abused his power by trying to pressure Ukraine to investigate political rival Joe Biden ahead of the 2020 presidential election.